Hi everyone, this is Will from Clerk Chat. Today I'm going to show you our snippets feature. Snippets are essentially canned responses, or answers to common questions. So let's say my support team send the same support message 50 plus times per day. I can make my way to the chat and find the snippets feature in the panel here at the bottom, add snippet. I can simply search for the support message that I'd like, select it. You'll see it will paste here in the send box, and I can send that out to my client. I can also create my own snippets. So let's say I find myself typing out my opening hours 10 plus times per day. I can make it personal or shared so that just me or the whole office can see it. I'm going to make this one shared to everyone who shares this inbox, and I'm going to type out the message that I want the snippet to say. Great. We also have two options here. We can either add an emoji, or we can also add templates. So let's say I want to personalize this message. So this will take whatever name I've put in the contact card and input it right into the snippet. I can then click save. I can now search for the snippet I just created. Here we go. Click that. It will paste there, and I can send it. You can see the name has been replaced with Robert Smith, the name of this client, and I've easily created a snippet and sent that off. And that's how you can utilize the snippet feature within Clerk.